Dr. Schlesinger, beforehand had told me that, my surgery was on a Wednesday. He said, by Sunday you may start feeling a little bit down. Just kind of expect it, understand. And I'm a pretty happy, upbeat person most of the time. So I was like, oh, I'm not worried about it. And then one day I was just in the shower, and I think he just came in because I was just crying, and he's like, what's wrong? I'm like, I don't know, I'm just emotional, nothing's wrong.
The doc, he explained to her that she was going to go through that process, that, at like 5 days, you're going to think that he didn't have a clue what he was doing, you're going to be like, what was he thinking, like, this doesn't look right, whatever, and that would be kind of like that down, depressed sort of feeling. He's like, in that, at like a week, you're going to be like, well, maybe he knew what he was talking about. He's like, and then at 2 weeks, you're going to be like, that guy is like, he's like a genius. So it was not really that extreme, but that was kind of I could see the process of where she went and how she went through it. Definitely not second guessing him, but she was just kind of like, I don't know, like this just looks kind of, I don't know. And then we got to a week and she's like, I don't know, this looks pretty good. And then it was like the 2 weeks and she was like, oh yeah, like this is yeah.
Everything looked so great. I didn't have any reason to be upset, but I think that can happen. You can feel down, or be excited to be feeling back to yourself, and being back at your routine, whatever it is, or being back in the gym.